Fergus gives you flexibility to customize your invoices to match your business needs. By adjusting your invoicing settings, you can control the information and layout of your invoices, ensuring they stay professional and aligned with your brand. To get started, head to Settings in your Fergus account and select Invoicing from the menu on the left. In the General Settings section, you can choose how tax is calculated, either per line item or on the subtotal, and set default payment terms to suit your business. You can also decide whether to group labour and materials together or show them in separate sections, and choose if you want to display employee names next to labour line items. Further down, you can customise how labour descriptions appear. Choose whether to include the labour description in the section description, and decide if the description should also appear on individual labour line items. Don't forget to check out the Invoice Templates tab. Here you can create and customise templates that reflect your brand, helping you present a polished professional look to your clients. Once a new template is created, you can adjust the styling, content, and display options. For a detailed walkthrough, check out our guide on invoice templates. And that's it, you're all set to start sending polished professional invoices to your clients with confidence.